What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To all those people asking what application I use for video editing, I'm using Kinemaster. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use this application. But before I start, what is Kinemaster? Kinemaster is a video editing application for iOS and Android smartphone. It is a global multimedia software company with headquarters in Seoul, Korea. Some people pronounce it as Kinemaster, but I call it Kinemaster because that's how the creator pronounced it. Okay, let's start. Okay, before we start, let's go to settings. And then select export frame rate or FPS. So you can choose 30, 25 PAL, 24 Cinema, 15 and 12, whichever you prefer guys. And then let's go back to main. Click this and then select empty project. Okay guys, so this is the Kinemaster interface. Okay, this button is where you can import videos and photos. Just click media, then you'll see all of your photos and videos from your gallery. Next is layer. So just click layer and then you'll see media. If you want to add or insert additional video or photo layer, and then we have effects if you want to put effects on your video, overlay if you want to put stickers, then text if you want to put title or caption on your videos, and then handwriting if you want to write on your video. Okay guys, next button is voice. Just click voice so you can record your voice or do voiceover. If you want to say something on your video, just click start. Okay guys, the last button on the right side of the circle is audio. Just click audio if you want to put music background on your videos. Then select one song, click the plus sign, and then play. By the way guys, the red button in the middle of the circle is camera and camcorder. Okay guys, on the left side we have undo, redo, and this button is for exporting your video. Just click this button and then you can choose your resolution, frame rate, and then after that click the export button. And this button is used to expand your video layers, and the last button is where you can jump to start video and to end video. Okay guys, the button right here is the marketplace where you can purchase effects, overlays, transition, music, and fonts. And this one is the play button, and the last one is this if you want to go back to main. Okay guys, so that's it for now. If you still want to learn more about this application, don't forget to watch second part of my tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.